Alright, so we did a round. What I do is I give each puppy a little bit, just enough to stave them off from desperate starvation. Lord Thunder and Jesus is getting a little. I'm wondering if Claire is taking advantage of my kind nature here. So, anyways, this is puppy number 1. Unfortunately, I haven't quite decided what I'm doing with him yet. I'm not overly sure what's in his best interest. So right now, he's such a pretty boy. Oh, he had a burp already. Alright, now watch this sweet little gentle puppy turn into a stark raving lunatic. Like me. Watch what happens. Alright, here baby. You ready? Do you want some? See, he can now see it. So he'll find it on his own. Now he'll go, he'll get a little taste. There you go. What do you mean? What do you mean? You don't want that.